Hello, my name is Oleksandr, and in this video I will provide a brief overview of one of the programs I developed in 2016 for a company specializing in furniture manufacturing. This program was created to automate and speed up the work of design engineers who use SolidWorks. Function Add drawings by list. This function adds views of specified parts to the active SolidWorks drawing. The list can be filled in several ways: adding parts from a folder, adding from the active assembly model, inserting from the active drawing view, inserting from the bill of materials. Next, you can assign the same sheet if you want views of multiple parts to be placed on a single sheet. Blocks can be added to the views as well as text. You can also add view separation lines and dimensions if the model contains dimensions marked for the drawing. Function Add Drawings Glass. This function adds drawings view to the active drawing for parts labeled as glass or mirror. These words can be found in the file names, properties, or body names. These settings allow you to specify where the program should search for these words. Additionally, in the settings, you can enable adding separation lines, that means lines that divide views, adding text, view labels based on where the words glass or mirror were found, adding dimensions, whether or not to insert dimensions, setting the number of views per sheet, up to 9 views per sheet. To use this function, I am selecting the view and pressing Start button. Function Find Drawing for Part. This function analyzes drawing to determine where a drawing for a specific part is located. To start, select Drawings to search. You can choose a file or an active drawing. Next, add a list of parts to find. Parts can be added from files, an active assembly model, an active drawing view, or some selected bill of materials. The table below will show how many views of each part exist and on which drawing. Clicking a cell with the left mouse button will open the corresponding drawing, switch to the correct sheet, and center the view. Function Add Sheet Drawing to Model Properties. First, add drawings to the list and run the command. The column will then display sheet numbers. These values will be written into the model's properties. The following function allows you to change drawings template. Open a drawing. There are first and second sheets. Apply the transformation. The program changes the templates, which are set in the program settings. The cleanup function allows you to delete constraints. You can delete constraints from sketches in models. Or you can also delete all constraints in assemblies. The next export function is designed to prepare documentation for uploading to a CRM system. There are two preparation modes here. The first mode is to export various documents to a single PDF document. The next export mode first also prepares PDF document, then prepares DWG files. And then the program archives the exported documents together with SolidWorks files. The program has some settings. You can configure document templates. There is an option to search for templates. Next, you can configure the program width. The program changes its width and the width of the SolidWorks window. In the next settings, you can select the path to SolidWorks. The program will open SolidWorks at the specified path, but usually the program connects to the active SolidWorks instance. In blocks, you can configure blocks for working with drawings. The program was used by engineering department for a long time. Later, this program was improved. The program was written in C# language. Thanks for watching.